Hi guys, welcome to Sharon's Tutorials. So, YouTube. We all love YouTube. We all watch loads of videos all the time on YouTube. And the captions feature is great. But did you know you could actually customize it? Now you might be wondering, why do you want to customize your captions? It's just bog standard white writing on black backgrounds. And yes, that is true. But if you're watching a video that's quite busy or has quite a lot of dark areas or a lot of bright areas, you might not be able to see the caption properly. So to customize it, you can change all the colors and the background color and the lettering and everything. This tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do just that. So I'm going to go to this video. This is from a guy called Dagwin, who I follow on YouTube. I'm a bit of a closet, not really a gamer, but I love ETS2 and Farm Simulator. So I follow Dagwin because I think his videos are really good. So this video, he is in his truck driving along in the UK. And to begin with, I just need to point out, I'm actually using Firefox. I'm in the Firefox browser. So to begin with, if you can't see any captions, if you're playing the video and there's no captions there, you just need to switch it on. So pause the video and you'll see in the bar at the bottom, there is a white box with kind of like black marks on it. In Firefox, this is what the captions box is. So when you click on there, a red line will appear underneath and it means they're switched on. I'm just going to quickly show you in Chrome because it looks slightly different. So we'll just quickly go to Chrome. So again, I'm watching the same video, it's the Dagwin video, and you can see in the box it says CC. So click on there and the red line appears under that. So if you're using Chrome browser, it's CC. If you're in Firefox browser, then it's this white box here. So that's how you turn them on. To turn them off, you just click the box again so the red line disappears and they will switch off. And that's the same in Chrome as well. So to change the font size and the color. So here you go. I'll just quickly play this and you can see the wording appears in a black text box with white writing. So that's what it looks like. That's the default style of YouTube captions. So we'll just pause this again. So to change the style of the captions, and this is both in Chrome and Firefox, it's exactly the same. You click on the cogwheel here, which is your settings, go into there, select the subtitles /CC option here, then go up to options in the top right corner. And here's all your options for your text, your font size, your background color, opacity, everything is here. So let's say, for example, I don't actually like the black background with the white writing. So I want to change the background color first, and I want to change it to something that's bright so it really stands out. So we'll have yellow, and then click back and go to the font color, and I'm going to choose black, and the background opacity is at 75%. So I can click on there and make it 100%. And you see that there, it's really bright. And that's how I want it. Now, obviously, you can change it exactly how you want it. The font size, you could make it bigger if you wanted to. You can change the character edge style, as in a shadow, raised, outline, etc. So I'm happy with that. That's how I want it for this particular video. It stands out against everything else that's there. So click play again. And he'll carry on talking, hopefully, and there you go. So you can see his writing, the writing there, the captions really stand out against what he's actually doing when he talks. Now, a really good feature that I came across was that you might want to move the captions to a different position on the screen occasionally. If, for example, say for like my tutorials, I have to be aware of anything I show on the screen that has lettering or wording on it. If somebody has captions on, then it's going to overlay what's actually shown on the screen. So I have to be aware of that sometimes in my own tutorials. So you can actually move the captions to a better position if you want to. And to do that, if I just pause it, all you need to do is click on the caption and drag it to another position where you want it to be, and then just press play. And hopefully, yeah, they should carry on in that position. Now, I do have to point out that I've done this on quite a few videos, and there's a lot that actually don't work. So I've no idea what the criteria is, but for some reason on certain videos it won't work at all. It allows you to move them over there, and then the next caption comes up, it goes back to the bottom again. So it's kind of potluck whether or not it works for you, I'm afraid. But this one, it seems to be working fine, so I'm happy with that. And finally, once you've finished watching, the video and you want your captions to go back to how they were normally, all you need to do is, I'll just wait for him to speak again, there you go, pause the video, go back into your settings, click on subtitles again, click on options, and at the bottom of the options you have a reset button. If you reset that, it goes back to the default black background, 75% opacity, 100% font size and white writing. And if you click play, he should carry on, the captions should carry on being up here. And that's it, that's how to customize your captions and subtitles when watching a video on YouTube. I really hope you found that helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave the video running on this bit because, spoiler alert, he does have a little crash here. So I'll carry on leaving this to run until he does crash. And here we go. And there you go, just a slight little bump in the road there. But yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Please give it a like and thanks for watching. Until next time, happy learning.